Alright guys, I have a trading signal, a potential new trend on the New Zealand Japanese yen pair on the daily chart. Now I'm going to be using the daily chart, guys, because I will only be able to check this once a day at night. I may be busy during the day. So depending on how busy you are or how much time you have, that's where you choose your time frame. I'm going to be doing the daily chart, which means it's going to be long term. All right, what we got here is a buy signal on the New Zealand Japanese yen on the daily chart. All right, we're going to take a look at FinViz over here. Where's FinViz? So as we could tell, the New Zealand dollar is up. All right, let's look at the daily chart because that's kind of what we're looking at over here. Hold on a second. So if you notice, the New Zealand pair, currency pair, is the one that's moving a lot, right? And we're pairing that up with the Japanese yen. Here's the Japanese yen. So the way you pair these up is you look for the one that's performing the best and the one that's doing horrible. And when you pair those up, you get a really good trend. Also, New Zealand US dollar is doing really good, but I don't like the way that pattern looks. I really like this pattern here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to enter pending entry at 70.121, which is right here. And that's slightly above this beautiful sideways pattern. I don't like the candlesticks to touch the moving average here. I really don't like that, but I don't know. I see that right here. It's going to explode up. You see, because if it does hit up here, it's going to be going above the previous highs also. So my projection is that it's going to do this. It's going to go up. So if it does get triggered, it'll trigger here. All right. I have the stop loss at 69.793. That's negative 328 pips. And the take profit, it has to be twice times 2 of stop loss. And the reason why we do that is so that we win more money than we lose in the long run. All right, guys. And that's at 70.791. That's going to be take profit of 670 pips. Now keep in mind the system that I use here. I will follow the 20 moving average as the stop loss later on in the trend and delete the take profit. So what I'm saying here is that later on, if this trend takes off, I will move the stop loss down here below the 20 moving average, and I'll just follow the 20 moving average as that trend goes up. Hopefully it does go up. But as that trend goes up, I will follow the moving average with the stop loss, and I will delete the take profit. What that does is that secures and it locks in the profit, and you follow the trend all the way to the end doing that. And you'll see I'll keep making more videos Monday through Thursday with updates about this signal, guys. Because each day it's going to be a new candlestick. So for each video that I'll make after this, it'll be just one more candlestick. And we'll track this all the way. So subscribe, and if you're jumping in this trade as well, let me know. Subscribe, because we're going to be making videos about this potential trend and see where it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my videos.